The problem that the encrypted visibility engine solves is a problem that people have known about for a long time. 15 years ago, most network sessions were not encrypted. Nowadays, most network sessions are encrypted.
Cisco, being the giant in networking space and host to arguably one of the largest crowdsourced threat intelligence repository, it was in a unique position to detect threats in network traffic and provide application visibility without compromising the privacy of our customers.
The encrypted visibility engine is a machine learning-based solution that's built on top of a very large data set that correlates endpoint and network views to identify the client process that initiates an encrypted connection without needing to decrypt.
One of the challenges that the encrypted visibility engine faces in the market is that this is a genuine Cisco innovation, meaning that none of our competitors are doing it, which means that we have to explain it to our customers.
In addition, Eve is also an inline technology. We got to make a call whether a certain flow is good or bad when the traffic is going at several gigs per second.
So when we're getting billions of connections a day with the endpoint ground truth, that's a very novel data set, something that no one else in the industry really has.
Cisco gets a big competitive edge from encrypted visibility engine because it's the only thing like it in the market.
In case of Eve, it is trained on Cisco's internal network data and draws its threat intelligence from secure malware analytics.
One of the breakthrough moments came when I was working to optimize the malware detection classifier that Blake Anderson developed. This classifier does an excellent job of bringing in data features from the network session and then analyzing them so that it can detect malware communication. But we needed the thing to run fast enough so that it could run in the Cisco Secure Firewall and process all the sessions going through the firewall. It's machine learning at the speed of the network.
The Eve team also partnered with Talos to define taxonomy to consistently identify MITRE ATT&CK techniques across various threat engines. There are few integrations that are in progress as we speak with other products like Cisco Secure Client, Cisco Network Analytics, and XDR for utilizing Eve's capabilities for threat detection, MITRE ATT&CK techniques, and client application visibility.
The biggest strength of this cross-functional team is its startup culture. The core team spans across different geographies with diverse backgrounds and varied levels of experience and skills, starting from an undergraduate intern to a Cisco fellow to principal engineers, everybody working with the same level of motivation and principles.
Cisco, we as a company own the networking infrastructure of the world. When we make those connections protected, safe, secure, the impact we have on the world is phenomenal.
We have a long roadmap ahead of us, enhancing the coverage with new encrypted protocols, new threat detections, and also using network behavioral anomaly detection. What do you think?
I think all these capabilities that we are building can be leveraged by other products. Our vision for Eve is to be the simple and powerful tool that will provide consistent security across Cisco portfolio.